Be First Forward-Facing Installation Guide. To open the click-tight frame, twist and push the click-tight button. Open the click-tight frame to the full extent. Feed the vehicle's seatbelt through the yellow belt path guide and across the seat through the opposite yellow belt path guide. Engage the vehicle's seatbelt buckle and remove any slack. Close the click-tight frame by pressing down until it locks into place. Press the top tether adjuster button and lengthen the top tether strap to the full extent. Connect the top tether attachment clip to the vehicle anchor fitting. Pull the top tether strap slack onto the side of the adjuster. Lift the lever to adjust the headrest. Rotate the SICT anti-clockwise to full extension on the preferred door side. The headrest SICT should only be used if it is exposed in the 4 highest positions of the headrest. Ensure that the harness straps are not below the green zone. Pull the harness adjuster strap to tighten. Ensure a firm but comfortable fit. Be First. Fast, easy, secure. Britax Safe and Sound.